This is my latest purchase. I have got myself a Magimix food processor 4200 XL covering 1 to 6 people. Let's see what's inside the box. A nice Magimix cookbook, a box with all attachment, the base itself. My first impression is that the base of my new food processor is heavy. That's definitely a plus, since I bake breads and bread doughs can get very heavy to process due to its volume and weight. The Magimix food processor comes with 3 different size bowls, and it seems while using the smaller ones, the large one needs to stay attached. And now my question, whilst using the small or medium bowl, would the large one still stay clean? And the answer is unfortunately no. Whilst grating 3 medium-sized carrots, bits and pieces are traveling to the larger bowl to my frustration. Now, one of the reasons why I've purchased a food processor is to save time whilst cleaning up, since I do lots of cooking for my channel and food preparation. This is very disappointing. And the lid, which comes with many sizes of further lids inside to process different sizes of foods. A further point which got my attention is that the box with the most of the attachment inside isn't sturdy enough for my liking. I would have liked a click sound while closing the box, and also the attachment are quite loose within the box.
Oh, das wolltest du vielleicht auch filmen. So ein Weirdo du bist.
So this is my first impression so far. I will try it further out and let you know in a couple of months how I got along with my new Magimix food processor. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Ja, ist auch neu, ne?
Ja.
Die
Dann ist es
asoziale?
ja nicht mehr neu, ne?
Ja, genau, dann ist es ja nicht unbedingt mehr neu.
Ach, das Meter. Sicher? Ist kein Quatsch.
Ja. Das ist so.